Hello everyone, this is Nafeez and you're watching the Vision 2030. So this video, we are going to discuss what are the side effects of the vaccines, which you might have heard from many different ways. So we will see here what exactly happens, as I have been vaccinated 2 days back, and since then how I felt, what were the effects, what were the do's and don'ts after vaccination. We are going to look in detail in this video. So I request you all to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and press the bell icon for notifications so that you can see there is a pimple. I have got it here. But that's not the side effect of the vaccine. I just said this is what I had got prior to the vaccination. So I haven't got any major side effects. I just felt like I got bit pain, and after 2 days also there is little pain. So that's what you may feel after taking any kind of injections on your arm. You may feel that pain. That's the pain which is there. And apart from that, I felt little fatigue yesterday, even though I had been to a lot of physical activity yesterday and day first day when I took vaccination. So there was little fatigue, tiredness. That's it. So don't believe on the rumors. Whatever the rumors were saying about not to get the vaccinated, stay away from rumors, not from the vaccines. Vaccines are there for your betterment. That doesn't affect you much. So the side effects what we discuss, it is rare, just like even when you take a simple medicine like a paracetamol, when you take, there are several side effects. You can check it in Google also. Whichever the tablets you get, you can just Google it. The side effects of that, you'll get so many, a huge list. Like that, there will be side effects. That is rare. See, I didn't get any fever. No such. So side effects, I don't think there is some major thing which you have to be worried. Get vaccinated at the earliest. So once you get vaccinated, what are the do's and what are the don'ts? So very important thing, what you have to do, you have to stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water so that the blood circulation increases, in the sense the vaccination get supplied to different parts of the body through the blood properly. Stay away from dangerous drinks like alcohol, drugs, tobacco, all those things. Stay away from that, so that should not affect your vaccination, in the sense you have taken vaccination and still you are drinking alcohol or chewing tobacco, all those things that may affect the activity of your vaccine. So stay away from it. What you have to do, you have to do some light exercise. Go for a walk, play something in the sense which has light activity. That you have to do, because light activity will make your blood flow properly, as your hand should in some little exercise, and even your whole body, so that it should get adjusted. You should not stay completely inside after taking vaccination, staying with fear of getting some side effects. You have to do some light exercise. What you should not do in this, you should not go for vigorous exercise like going for a gym, a football match, something which has a high aerobic activity. You have to avoid that. Okay, then what you should do, you should consume balanced diet. So balanced diet, in the sense, you know that which should have all the nutrients like carbohydrate, nutrients, proteins, vitamins, all those things. So, and especially the foods which helps in building your immune system, that's very much required, because immunity has to be built. As what happens, what has been given to you, the vaccine which is given to you is usually an inactivated virus. The Covishield vaccine which I had taken, I advise you also to take Covishield only. Vaccine also you can take, but Covishield is better. Why it's better? You can check out the link provided in the description. Covaxin versus Covishield, I had analyzed in Hindi for your better understanding. You can go through the video and choose your own. Okay, so when an inactivated virus is given in your body, why is it given? To build your immunity. So to help that build better immunity, you have to consume the foods also which helps in building immunity. What are the foods? If you are getting stilled out, Let me not cover here. There is a separate video I have made already and it's in the playlist. You can go directly and check it, and the link is also provided in description below. Okay, so then those are things what you should do, and what you should not do, as I told you about. What you should not do is you should not avoid wearing mask, avoid that physical distance what you're doing prior to this vaccination, because only by one dose you will not get complete immune. So you have to complete 2 doses. One dose now, and second dose will be around 3 months after the first dose, and after you complete the 2 doses, couple of weeks it will take to develop complete immunity. Till that you have to follow all the COVID protocols. Okay, that keep it in mind. Okay, so what you have to do, even if you are a breastfeeding mother, you can take vaccination, and you have to continue feeding your baby, because that's a very good thing what you can give to your baby, because antibodies what is being produced by your WBC cells in response to the vaccine which is given inside your body, those antibodies can be passed to your baby through the breast milk. Okay, that's a very good sign. So these are the things which you should do and you should not. So that's what I had said you in this video clearly. So stay away from any kind of rumors which is stopping you from getting vaccinated. I have taken my vaccine. Have you taken? Go quickly to your nearest vaccination center and get vaccinated at the earliest. Stay safe and keep your friends or those who are with you safe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.